cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing you a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so, did I say early review? I hope I said early review. I can't remember. But if I didn't, early review. We back at you. Took like a week off or something like that, maybe 2 weeks. I can't really remember. Nothing really been dropping like that, so it wasn't nothing I can really do any reviews about for. I mean, I could have did like the shades and stuff like that, but I didn't really want to do no reviews like that. But this one is, in my opinion, and a lot of people's opinions, the most anticipated shoe of 2025. So y'all already know what I'm talking about. Y'all see the thumbnail, and just by saying that, you should know what I'm talking about. It drops this Saturday. On my way to the spot, so I can give y'all the early review for that. Once I get that, come back home, give y'all that information, the release date, suggested retail price, all that good stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. You see my beard? My beard is like glistening. I just put some beard. I'm trying to get it, because I used to have like a big beard like this, but I shaved it. So I'm trying to get that, like my Rick Ross thing going back, But anyway, stay tuned for the early review. And after that, like I said, information. I'll be back. Okay. We know what time it is. You know what time it is. That light blue Jordan Jumpman in the middle. Flip this over. Size 9 Air Jordan 11 Retro Black Gamma Blue Black. Yes, this is a personal pair. I go up a half a size 11. Got that normal wrapping paper was already in there. And boom. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. Let me just put this to the side so we can really see both of these. All right. Wrap this back up. Put this back in. Boom. Put this up on top of this one. And without further ado, okay, there we go. We have the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blue. Boom. Okay, like I said, we got the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blue. Some people call it the Gammas. Some people Gamma Blue, but Air Jordan 11 Gammas, But right off top, this gloss on this shoe is just beautiful. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Oh, so beautiful. Everything just so crisp, It's just so beautiful about this shoe. Just look at it with that black, with that patent leather going. I love Jordan 11s with patent leather. I don't like they do these extra ones that have different material. I just don't like it. You see the light blue pods on the bottom with that darkish blue one too in the middle. Got the carbon fiber right there on the side. Back to that, not the fake carbon fiber, the good carbon fiber. Black laces, see right in the middle. Light blue Jumpman right there. Got the gold 23 on the back. It's just a beautiful shoe. Definitely a cop. I just want to give you a very quick look at this. It's not a detailed review, but I just want to give you a look at this. I'm gonna go back to the house so I can really give you some real information about the shoe, like the release date and all that good stuff, and price and all that good stuff. So I know it's this Saturday, but yeah, beautiful shoe. Definitely a cop for me. Boom, we back. Hope y'all enjoyed that early review for the Air Jordan 11 Gammas that's dropping this Saturday. Got some information for y'all like I always do. This is off of Sneaker Ball Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Ball Detroit. If you want, you can read along with me. It's going to be up right next to me in 3, 2, 1. Boom, it should be up. And this title, let me go sit down because I don't feel like just standing up. Sorry if it get a little bit dark. Oh yeah, it's okay. Yeah, this is okay. This title, it's new to me. It says, Foot Locker brings back midnight releases with the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blue. They doing a midnight release? Wow, hold up. What all this? Okay, anyway. I did not know that. But anyway, since the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blue is bringing something back the sneaker world hasn't felt in years. A true midnight launch. Whoa, I did not know that. Foot Locker is reviving, the old school tradition with an in-person drop that feels straight out of the 2010s, pairing the shoes return with the kind of energy many collectors grew up on. I do remember going to camp out at nighttime for not these shoes, but like just shoes in general. I think I only did like 3 times. There are 3 late night drops this Friday from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. local time for the brand. The full experience, music, lights, snacks, cultural energy and a couple of tricks up its sleeve will be happening simultaneously in New York, Chicago, and Downey, California. Oh, so it's only 3 locations. So in New York, of course, probably Times Square, Chicago, which seems dangerous, and Downey, California, which I'm in California right now. Downey's not I mean, any place is dangerous when you get idiots, you feel me? But Downey's not that bad. The goal is to recapture some of that magic, and it should go without saying that fans attending the Gamma Blues 11s will be there by invitation only. Okay. And titties will also be older, and guests will be required to be 18 or older. The whole thing is first come, first served, and of course, and it seems like a direct nod to the mystique that Gamma Blue 11s are shrouded in. Oh, there go the midnight launch right there. Midnight launch. Air Jordan 11 Gamma, Friday, December 12th. Okay. All my New York people, anybody watching it, it's 272 West 125th Street. Is that the address of Times Square? I'm not too sure. The Foot Locker in Times Square? I'm not too sure. All my Chicago people, is 2628 South State Street. Is that an okay area? Y'all let me know. Yeah, Firestone, but that's Downey Mall, whatever like that. Okay. The shoe itself returns with the familiar blackout upper polished patent leather and those sharp Gamma and Varsity Maze accents. Younger fans know the colorway through resale lore, but older collectors remember how quickly this pair vanished during its 2013 debut. Seeing it tied to a midnight launch almost feels poetic. If you can't make one of the 3 events, the Air Jordan 11 Gammas will see a full global launch on December 13th via sneakers, Foot Locker, and major retailers. Setup date, all coming sneaker releases, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So yeah, retail price is $235. Sheesh. December 13th is the full launch date. There go some more pictures. Get these ads out the way. They just keep on popping up. Jesus. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, but I showed y'all all the review, so it's good. All right, get that down. So, the question that a lot of people want to know when I do these videos: am I getting the shoe? Yes, I am. I think I already said that in the little review of the shoe, but I am. But I will be in Miami this weekend, so I will be getting somebody to pick up my pair. But I'm definitely going to get it. I didn't get the first pair of Gammas when they dropped. I wasn't really into shoes like that, and I don't remember if I wasn't into shoes or just this colorway didn't really do nothing for me, especially because I had the Space Jams. But yeah, I'm 100%. It's not even like a 90% chance. Like 100%, I'm gonna get this pair. It's a cop for me. I think it's a dope colorway. I don't have nothing of that colorway with that, like, you know, that midnight black and then that light blue, baby blue. So definitely a cop for me because I like copping new colorways. And I've been easy on my shoes anyway. So like, it's not like I'm the old me and just buying a bunch of shoes. So anyway, y'all let me in the comments below if this is a cop or drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune the Kid, your favorite sneakerhead, representing the Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.